we'll guide you through how to use Zapier automation tools to streamline your workflows effortlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Zapier website and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard where you can create what's called a Zap. A Zap is simply an automated workflow that connects your apps and services. To get started, click on the Create Zap button, usually found at the top right of the page. You'll then be prompted to choose a trigger app, which is the application that will start your automation. For example, if you want to trigger an action every time you receive a new email, you can select Gmail as your trigger app. After selecting the app, you'll need to specify a trigger event, like new email or new label. Zapier will guide you to connect your account by following the on-screen prompts. Next, you'll set up the action, which is what happens after your trigger event occurs. Click on Action and choose an app where you want the action to take place, such as Google Sheets to create a row for each new email. You'll need to specify the action event, like Create Spreadsheet Row. Once again, connect the app if you haven't already, and select the specific spreadsheet and worksheet where you want the data to go. Zapier will allow you to map the data from your trigger app to your action app. Once everything is set, test your Zap to ensure it works as expected. Zapier will run a test automatically, and if all goes well, you'll get a success message. Finally, don't forget to name your Zap and turn it on, using the toggle at the top of the page. This ensures your automation is active and running. With everything in place, your Zap will automatically perform the actions you've set up whenever the trigger event occurs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.